With your kind permission, since I'm opposing the introduction of all the three bills, perhaps it would be appropriate that the minister could move all the three bills, and then I could, I could submit whatever I have to say.
कर दें तीनों को, दोनों को एक साथ ही कर दें। आप और शशि थरूर जी तो इक्वल है ना, दोनों एक साथ ही बोल दें।
Mr. Speaker, sir, I metaphorically rise to oppose the introduction of the Industrial Relations Code 2020, the Code on Social Security 2020, the Occupational Safety, Health and Working Conditions Code 2020 on the following grounds. While the Honorable Minister has correctly submitted that the Standing Committee has considered all these three legislations extenso and has made significant recommendations which have been incorporated in the new legislation, but proprietary demanded that since the previous legislation has been fundamentally changed, before the new legislation was brought to the House, the stakeholders, the labor unions, the unorganized sector should have been once again reconsulted with regard to the substance of the bill, since the bill has undergone a substantive transformation after going through the Standing Committee process. Unfortunately, since that process has not been followed, if I am correctly instructed, so therefore it would have been appropriate had the ministry or the minister followed that process. My second objection, Mr. Speaker, sir, with your permission, is that government has a pre-legislative consultative policy in place. That pre-legislative consultative policy, which was put in place in the February of 2014, and to the best of my knowledge has not been repealed by the subsequent governments, mandates that every bill must be put in the public domain for at least 30 days, so that stakeholders and other people interested in the contents of the bill can give their comments with regard to the substance of the bill. As I had earlier pointed out, that since the bill has undergone a significant change post the Standing Committee process, this particular consultative process should have been followed. The pre-legislative consultative policy also has certain other mandates which also have not been fulfilled before the bill has been brought to the House. My third objection, Mr. Speaker, sir, with your permission, is that the Code on Social Security is discriminatory. 9 labor enactments have been subsumed into the new code, but many others have been left out. For example, the Beedi Workers Welfare Fund of 1976, the Limestone and Dolomite Mines Labor Welfare Fund Act of 1972. So therefore, notwithstanding the government's avowed objective in order to consolidate the labor laws, you will still have multiple paradigms which will continue to exist, which will defeat the entire purpose of the exercise which is being attempted by this codification. My penultimate objection, Mr. Speaker, sir, is that too much in the bill has been left to delegated legislation. At various places in the bill, you will find phrases as may be specified, as may be prescribed, as may be framed, and they occur very frequently in the bill. My submission, Mr. Speaker, sir, is that labor rights are very hard-won fundamental freedoms which have a struggle of 100 or 200 years behind them. And so therefore, these fundamental freedoms cannot be left to the vagaries of the executive or delegated legislation to be defined at the whim and fancy of whosoever is in power. My final objection, Mr. Speaker, sir, with your permission, is that there are definitional nightmares in the bill. For example, I'll just conclude in 1 minute, Mr. Speaker, sir, with your permission. The Occupation Code defines migrant workers as contract labor. अध्यक्ष महोदय, ये वही माइग्रेंट वर्कर हैं जो करोड़ों की संख्या में विस्थापित होके अभी पिछले दिनों अपने घर पैदल चल के गए हैं। और एक ऐसा ही और कानून है, इंटरस्टेट माइग्रेंट वर्कर्स एक्ट, जिसमें इसकी परिभाषा बिल्कुल अलग है। तो ऐसे दो दो परिभाषाएं होने से ये जो मजदूर हैं, ये जो श्रमिक हैं, इनके जो हक है उसके ऊपर सीधा सीधा प्रहार है। मैं आपकी अनुमति से, आपके संरक्षण से माननीय मंत्री जी से यह निवेदन करना चाहता हूं, अनुरोध करता हूं विनम्रता से कि ये तीनों विधेयकों को वापस लें और ये जो सारे हमारी आपत्तियां हैं उसको संज्ञान में लेकर उसके ऊपर एक सुनिश्चित विचार बनाकर ये तीनों विधेयकों को वापस सदन में लेके आए। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद अध्यक्ष जी।
शशि थरूर जी